Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, division. This is chapter number 5. In your previous class you have learned about division, what is the sign of division and how to do the division in different kinds of method. You have learned about this. Today in this topic we will discuss about some different methods of divisions. Let us first come to know what is the sign of division. Recall it. The division sign is this one. Now whenever we have to divide a number by a particular number, suppose 32 is to be divided by 8, then we can write this in this way: 32 then divided by sign by 8. Let us first start with the division by repeated subtraction method. What is this method? We will always take out 8 things out of 32 first, and then again take out 8 things from the remaining ones. In this way proceed until we get 0. Let us see. 32, let us first take out 8. Then 32 minus 8, if we subtract 32 minus 8, we get 24. Now from the remaining 24, again we will take out 8. We get 16. Again from the remaining of the 16, take out 8. We get 8. Again from the remaining 8, we take out 8 again. We get 0. So this process will continue until we get 0 result. Now see how many steps of subtraction is done here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps of subtraction is done here. So our required result is 4. So we can write that 32 divided by 8 equal to 4. So this is the method of repeated subtraction. Suppose this is example 1. Let us take another example, number 2. We have to divide 25 by 5. So we will take out always 5 things first from 25, and then again take out 5 things from remaining of the. Let us see. 25 minus 5, we get 20. Again take out 5 from the remaining. 20 minus 5 equal to 15. Again take out 5 from the remaining. 15. 15 minus 5 equal to 10. Again 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Now 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So steps are completed here. Now check how many steps are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write that our required result 25 divided by 5 equal to 5 steps are there. 5 is the result. So this is the method of repeated subtraction. Now coming to second method, which is division on number line. Suppose we are dividing 12 by 3. Okay. So in this method we will prepare a number line first. What is a number line? A line on which their numbers are written. Suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on. So this is the number line. Now what should we do? We have to divide 12 by 3. So let us start from this 12. This is the point of 12. Okay. Now from here, in every step we will jump 3 steps. In every jump we will jump 3 steps. How? This is the first step, second step, third step. So we jump from 12 to 9 here. Jump 3 step, 1, 2, 3 step, we come to 9. Again we jump from here 3 step. So 1, 2, 3, we reach at 6. Again jump 3 step, 1, 2, 3, we come to 3. Again jump 3 step, 1, 2, 3, we reach at 0. Okay. Now how many jumps are there? We have to count it. That is the result of the division. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump. So we can say that 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. So this is the method of division on the number line. Now coming to the next another method, which is division by using multiplication table. You well know about the multiplication table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 12, 13. These are the multiplication table. Using the multiplication table we can also divide. Suppose we have to divide 12 by 2. So we will go through the table of 2 until our result come to 12. There are two methods to find the division using multiplication table. One is short division and another is long division. In short division method, we start with the table of 2 with 1, and until we get the result 12, we will not stop. We will stop at 12. 12 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10 and 2 6 ja 12. So we get 12 at 6th step. So by using short division method we can write that 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. This becomes the result. So this is the method of short division. Now in long division there is a format. Here will be 2, we will divide 12. You can write the result on the upper side or the side beside of this 12. So proceed with table 2 until we reach 12. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. So we get 6, 2 6 ja 12 and division is completed. So we can write that 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. So these are the method of division by using multiplication table. Mostly we use the long division method to divide. Okay. Now we will come with some different types of problems. Here is question number 1. Give division fact of the following. What is the fact is here given? 28 minus 7 equal to 21, 21 minus 7 equal to 14, 14 minus 7 equal to 7 and 7 minus 7 equal to 0. and we have to write the division fact of this subtraction facts. So for answer 1, what is the initial number? Here the initial number was 28 and we are subtracting 7 each time. So actually we are dividing 28 by 7, and how many steps of subtraction is shown here to get 0? 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So we can write the division fact as 28 divided by 7 equal to 4. For number 2, here is initial number 40 and we are dividing it by 8 because in every steps there is 8 subtracted. 40 minus 8, 32, again 32 minus 8, 24, 24 minus 8, 16, 16 minus 8, 8, 8 minus 8, 0, and we get how many steps of subtraction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So we can write 40 divided by this 8 equal to number of steps 5. So these are the division facts. Okay. Coming to second question. Divide by repeated subtraction and find the quotient. Here we have to show the subtraction method to find the division. So start with 20 minus 4, we will subtract every time 4. 20 minus 4, 16. Now again subtract 4 from 16, 12. 12 minus 4 equal to 8. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Now 4 minus 4 equal to 0. See how many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write therefore 20 divided by 4 equal to steps is 5. So 5 is the result. Now question number 3 is here. Use the number line to find the quotient 8 divided by 2. We have to divide by 8. So we will start with the point 8 on the number line, and in every step we will jump for 2 steps here. 1, 2, jump 8 to 6. Again 6, again jump for 2 step, 1, 2. 4 comes to 4. Again from 4, jump for 2 steps, come to 2. Again from 2, we will jump for 2 steps, we reach at 0. So how many jumps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. So we can write therefore 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Okay. Coming to next another question. Here is write dividend, divisor and quotient of the following division fact. This is the division fact given already, result is also given. What is showing here? If we divide 72 by 9, we get 8. Let us create the long division format of this one. So in this long division format, we can write 9 here. We are dividing 72 by 9 and result is 8. 9 8 is 72. This is the format of the division. Now this 72 is called dividend. This is the term is known as dividend. The number by which we are dividing, this is called divisor. This is the divisor, and the result that we get after dividing, this is called quotient. and if anything remains here, this is the remainder. Nothing is remainder here, so means remainder is 0. Here we get division 9, dividend 72 and quotient 8. Let us write these things. Therefore here dividend equal to 72, divisor equal to 9 and quotient equal to 8, the result. Okay, so these are the terms related to a division. Now come to problem number 5 is here. Divide in long form and find the quotient. We have to divide it by long form using the multiplication table. Let us first do number A. We have to divide 64 by 8. So we will go through the table of 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56, 8 8 ja 64. So we are getting 64 at 8. 8 8 ja 64. This complete, and we get quotient. Find the quotient. Therefore quotient equal to, here the quotient is the result 8. For B number, we have to divide 30 by 6. So we will proceed with the table of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30. So we get 30 by multiplying 6 5. 6 5 ja 30. So here the quotient is 5. Okay. So students, this was the total topics for today. What we have discussed, some kinds methods of division and how can we apply the methods in our problems. In next topic or next video I will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.